these in here.
You're just leaving your beverage unattended. That's very dangerous.
To drink with that big old truck that I'm driving.
Yeah, I understand.
Now, if it was a small vehicle,
It's also Memorial Day weekend.
oh my gosh, I've never seen so many cops out
They're
Yeah.
everywhere.
over the last 2 days that I've ever seen.
Yeah. Where a guy ordered non-blended margaritas with a sugar cube in them. It was very disappointing to try. Yeah, why would you want a sugar cube in your margarita?
The customer is always right, Dana.
That is untrue. I worked in retail. I worked in customer service. The customer is not always right. Because was that one of the newer Twilight Zones, or was that like the old original one from the 50s? Is that when the original one was? This says to have paper towels too, so we'll do that. And it says to do 2 or 3 at a time, but this is not a very big one, so we don't want to.
Because there's not really any harm in going slower.
Yeah. The rod, so that's the best error, man.
Rod Serling era.
That's the best one.
I'm assuming that's who I'm picturing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I can see into your head.
Wait, that's a bad idea. Don't do that, Dana. Get out of there.
Okay, guys. I should do this over here. Look at that. So we're going to put that on here and let that drain and do the next one. I'm also going to stick these in the oven just because the oil's a little hot and the oven is warm, so it'll continue cooking a little bit in the oven.
Make sure that it's cooked all the way through.
I mean, it's steak. It doesn't need to be like cooked all the way through, but we do want it to be cooked.
Right.
How's that?
We would hate to have a guest get sick.
Correct.
Not me.
Thank you, Pops. Wait, it's Crazy. Hi, Fallen Age. It's Crazy Rockman in here. Did I miss it?
Yes.
I did. Well, hello.
Hello.
We're so close. We're so close.
I've got a beverage now, so that bought you time. I mean, I had to make the
You
beverage
could have a
myself.
biscuit.
So I bought you time. But it's, never mind. I'll stop talking now.
Okay. You know, you could have a biscuit if you're
Tomorrow's
hungry.
Friday, Dana. Did you know that?
I did, but today is my Friday, so. But not really.
And then you get another Friday?
I don't really get Fridays because my work schedule is so weird.
It's a Friday.
I have Friday off, but then I work on Saturday, and then I'm streaming on Saturday, and then we're streaming on Sunday.
Yeah, you've got a busy weekend this weekend.
And then
Of course, I say you do. It sounds like I do too.
Yes. Okay. Let's see here.
Do you need another thing?